Chapter 7, Key Performance Measurements. In this chapter, we're gonna go through different KPIs a proposal could have. There is an area where we have some examples of different options, and then we list them into the table and go through the columns to describe why we need it, what's the current situation with these measurements, and what to expect to achieve, and how we will measure it. We finished chapter 7, key performance measurements. We use the template here to start our thinking process of what kind of measures we're gonna use. We went through some YouTube stuff, some other areas, what we could measure, and we stick with 3 different metrics, so metric categories. So operational KPIs, how much time we is going to spend, or how much time this proposal is actually going to take, so people have some kind of understanding of cadence. Who follow us. Then users who are going to use the tool or service, for example, how many people join, how many people choose the templates, how many register, and then some user feedback rating. So once we have the live workshops, we get some live feedback, and we rate that like from 1 to 4. Of course, expecting maximum results in his situations. And then, comparing it to current situation and expected situation. The tool we are going to use to measure this, basically Google Forms and simple counting of live people in the live workshops. And our operational KPIs, we're most likely going to use T-Work. And finally, we also included when we will start reporting, when we will stop it, and how long it will last. So it's clear to understand when these metrics are used in progress reports. With this, I conclude our chapter 7.